Welcome to Neville TV with the Asus UX21 Zenbook Ultrabook with a 12.1 inch screen, and this is the Core i7 version, but from the outside it should make a difference because all UX21s look the same, especially if you look at this nice box. It's all black all around. We don't have any text specs, only saying Asus Zenbook, which is the Ultrabook category from Asus in Taiwan. So let's open this nice little box up and see what we get when we buy this 12-inch nice Ultrabook for about $1,000. As you can see here, we have a nice padded case for it with a magnetic closure, and we even have in the inside a nice little texture which helps us clean the device when we just have it inside here. So this is kind of like with the Apple iPad. Then we have some adapter cables and another small pouch which helps us carry the LAN cable and the VGA cable. LAN cable is pretty nice because, of course, over USB you can use this with different computers, and this is, I think, a display port, so that's nice. Also, you can use that with an Apple device maybe also. And then we have, of course, a power supply, which is really small. The cable is nice and long. We actually know this design a little bit from Apple, I would say, again. And we have on here the Windows 7 Home Premium code and some text specs, which are not that interesting for us, I guess. Then we have the device itself, which we will take a closer look at in just a second. It looks already astonishing. And we have a Zenbook box here again with some papers, tie cable for tying up the cable here with the power supply, warranty card and manual. So that's it from the box. Let's put all of this to the side and let's take a closer look at the Zenbook itself. So this is a nice metal finish from the outside and on the bottom. It's even cold because the DHL man just brought it to us. So as you can see, you can even open up the bottom if you want, but there's actually no RAM or hard drive or anything that you can upgrade, so that wouldn't make any sense. It looks nice. The foot or the rubber feet are pretty sturdy and strong. On this side we have some ports like the headphone, USB 2.0 and display port or VGA adapter port, how you want to call it. On the front there's of course nothing, and on the other side we have the HDMI, I think this is micro HDMI port. As you can see, the LED here is blinking because we are in standby mode actually. USB 3.0 and power. On the back there's nothing except for the big hinge, and if you just put this down and open it up with one hand, you will see this looks amazing. Of course, kind of like an Apple MacBook Air. We are already inside the operating system after 2 seconds. And of course this looks pretty nice. We have a nice 12.1 inch screen, dual array microphone and webcam here on the top. We are outside and you can see the display is working pretty nicely. And down here we have a great chiclet keyboard with small shift on the left side, some F buttons and also small arrow buttons. We have audio by Bang & Olufsen on the bottom actually, not up here. Up here this is only printed on here, and the fan for the internals is actually right here also, like again with an Apple device. We have a pretty big touchpad on here, so that's amazing, and it works of course really good also. Again, this is right now a little bit cold due to the cold weather outside. It was on its way here all day long. This is actually the maximum you can open up the display to, and it looks pretty sturdy. Everything is metal and you can't push in everything, so we really like that. And a display comparison or size comparison with a 13.3 inch Asus U36 SD, you can see that the UX21 is not only smaller but of course a lot thinner also, but it only holds up to 5 hours of runtime if you use it hard quality, and the Asus U36 SD does up to 10 hours also if you use it. So thank you much for watching Neville TV. This was the Asus UX21 unboxing and quick comparison with a 13-inch device. Till next time, tune in again. My name is Balazs Gal, and thank you much for watching Neville TV.